Oh, hey, we're live. We're live. Sorry for the delay. We are here. Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Let's go. Let's get it. All right. I'm a little flustered. I don't even where do I start? First of all, the dentist. Um, honestly, it hurt, okay? It wasn't a good time. It wasn't fun. And it definitely hurt a couple times, but I will have to say, I feel so good like after the fact, and now being able to get a good night's sleep with no pain, waking up, my tooth not hurting at all is absolutely wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And it actually is so weird. Um I don't even know how to explain this, but I feel like my head and my head feels lighter. I don't know how to I know that doesn't make any sense, but I just had that dull aching pain for so long. I've had it for so long, I think I was just kinda used to it, and it was bothering me more than probably I thought it was, but now having no pain is just so liberating. It's like, oh, it actually, I can't even explain how much better I feel now that I don't have any pain. Like, anyway, that's the dentist story. Now, the other part of today, just if a heads up, the wife had to leave. That's why I'm a little bit late, but my wife had to leave. There was a family emergency. Everybody's okay, but she's taking someone to a hospital, and yeah, so I'm here at home alone, and I'm on babysitting duty, so I might have to run and take care. I don't know. I'm gonna stream, but we're probably gonna be a little bit more in and out than usual, and hopefully, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And what else? What else today? My accounts. Yes. My Fund and Future accounts. Everything was fine. Had a really good first trade. Um, Apex accounts. These poor 4 accounts. I don't know, man. These 4 accounts just they don't it's not boding well for them. I don't know. I cannot seem to get I can't seem to get a winning trade on those 4 accounts. I just seem like they're cursed. I don't know. I'm starting to think these 4 accounts are cursed, but anyway, I'm not going to trade these on stream. I'm going to leave them the way they are. I was actually down $200 on these, and I kind of scratched and clawed my way back to pretty much break even, and we're going to leave it like that. Now my live account. Oh, I don't know, man. I need to do some guys. We were up $800 on that live account. I'm not even joking. I was literally up $800, and I did the stupid thing of doing the one more trade, and yep, just kept not willing to let go of not willing to take a loss until finally I'm like, okay, I got to get out of this trade. And yeah, here we now are, $500 loss on the day after we were up 800. So that's got me a little frustrated. I'm not lying. But man, I'm telling you that it was that thought in my mind of, oh, well, there's no consistency rule. And all of a sudden I was having these weird thoughts about, oh, maybe we can get a $2,000 day, or you know what I mean? It's just I gotta get that out of my head. I don't know. That's gonna be a hurdle. It's gonna be a challenge on those accounts. It is going to be a challenge working through that. We're going to have to work through it. We're going to work through it. We're going to get this. We got this. But anyway, good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I missed all the names. Diego, Vincent and Ella, Saral, Dean Bishop, Rad Poker, Carolina, Tech 111, Amelia, Alex, Lee. Good morning, RH, Carolina, M. Susan, good morning. Shiva, Design Knob, Rad Poker. How we doing, everybody? I know I'm missing a lot of you. Terry W, Sam Owen, S, Trader, Scratcher Itch Trading, good morning. Jagraj, good morning. Willie C, good morning, Matty Matt. Hey Trader, Micro Player, good morning. Sam Owen, Fred Yeager, R5 Studios, Petey, Nathan Ramirez. Good morning, everybody. Let's do this. Let's have a good day. Now, in the overnight session, we did have some news here at 8:30. We did have some news here at 8:30. So, but we did have a really. I'm still so frustrated about this Tradify account. Guys, I went short right here at the 320s. I went short at the 320s and I got out at the 290s. And then all of a sudden I tried to get cute and I thought, oh, now we're going to reverse off the two. And dude, if I would have just held that. Anyway, let's not have hindsight. Let's not do hindsight trading. But man, I've got to work through the whole thing with no consistency rule. That's going to be a hurdle. But you know what? We're going to work through it. My new mental approach on these Tradify accounts is going to be, I'm not going to be stupid, but I'm going to try to go for a little bigger days. I think I can do it. I just need to have a little more conviction to it. And I do think I can do it, but we don't need to be stupid and we need to make sure we accept losses. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. But I don't really know what to expect today. I still kind of think we're due for a pullback. But man, I tell you what, it's Sander Schauffele just made bogey. By the way, if I feel a little distracted, it's because I'm watching the PGA Championship. Right now, we got Fleetwood, Fox, and Donald leading currently at 3 under through 10. So, should be fun. All right, I don't know. I'm still more inclined to the downside. All right, wow, look at this. We are pulling back a little bit more. I'm kind of looking for shorts, but I'm also kind of interested in what happens here at the 200s. If we pull back to the 200s, I'm kind of interested to see if the 200s don't hold, then I do really want to be looking at shorts. But we are going to be trading these Apex accounts. We're going to be trading these 5 Apex accounts today. Oh, man, I would love to get these above the 51, which I doubt it. That would be 500 for the day. But, hey, John, good to see you, John. You're still short? Let's go. I'm not sure I've actually had a single green trade all week. Oh, no, Design Knob. Been one of those. I know, Rob Judd. I know. Go ahead and roast me. It's fine. Roast me. I deserve it. Literally was up $800 on this Tradify account, and somehow I thought that was not enough, and I tried for more. Yikes. I was also doing it with 10 micros, so 10 micros, a little bigger size. Anyway, whatever. I'll get over it. It's fine. We'll get it. Now, let's see. Are we going to actually go lower? I really want to see this. I really want to see this dump all the way down below the 200s if we can. Okay, here we go at the 250s. Right now, I just want to see us at least test the lows of the day, the lows of the overnight. If you remember yesterday, we had a difficult time. We never did test those lows of the day or the lows of the overnight yesterday. So it seems like right now, this market, every time we get a little dip, we just get it bought up and we rip again to new highs. I don't know if that's going to happen again, but I'm interested. I am interested. Yeah, that's rough, design knob. We've been there. Oh, the gold. Oh, that hasn't gold been crazy? I want to actually look at gold. Look at that. Let me look at the daily chart on gold. Now we had a big move lower. Now it's trying to make a move again. Wow. Maybe we do. I know, design knob. You need to start telling me when you get liquidated, and I need to make sure that I need to start actually taking mental note of that because that seemed to be a pretty good indicator. I'm sorry. News at 10. Oh, it is. Oh, I actually have not been paying attention. I know we had some news at 8:30. I didn't know we had news at 10. Nothing. There's no news of any importance. Oh, you guys have no idea how much better I feel. Oh, having no toothache. Oh, it's such. You just. Oh, it's almost reminds me of when the first time that I wore glasses. The first time I wore glasses, I was so shocked. I didn't know that I had bad vision. And all of a sudden I could like see in HD and it just blew my mind. Kind of like that. It's just like, wow, it doesn't hurt. Such a good feeling. Feel like I'm going to trade better. Or at least I felt that way last night. And then I was like, man, I might have just unlocked a new level. Oh, man. But then I took a bad trade on that Tradify account and I decided, nah, nothing has changed. All right, trying to get a move back higher here now. Is this just going to be another leg lower? I will look for a short. If we have a good short entry up here at the 300s, I will take it. Feel like this is, yeah, I mean, All right, market. I mean, if we just rip, if we rip here and just rip right through the 300s, right back up to the 400s, like, I don't know how to trade this anymore. It's crazy. Look at that go. Gosh, I need to follow through though. If I see this short, we gotta take it. This traps here. I'm so done. Give me a follow through here. Come on. Keegan Bradley is 3 under. Wow. Gotta say, Keegan Bradley has been very consistent. Come on, sell this thing, rip it lower. Just, we gotta go right here. Come on. If we trap here, I'm in trouble. Don't trap. Don't do it. Just keep going, man. Keep going. Honestly, I should probably take it off right here. Nope, too late. You know what? The heck with you, market. Minwoo Lee, 2 under. Wow. Oh, man, this is not ideal. Not ideal. I don't know, man. Now we'll surely make Nutty Bar just got an equal. Keegan Bradley bugs you for some reason. He does have some kind of weird quirks. I do agree. All right, now go. Flush this, please. Come on. Just flush it, please. Really need to get below this. Come on. Wanna close if we don't. Getting out. I don't know. I'm just not gonna sit through this choppy. Now this is gonna make new lows now because I took my profit, but whatever. I just, I don't know. I don't have enough conviction on this short, to be honest. My conviction level is low. Yeah, this still feels, I don't know. This just feels, I don't need to be trading this. That's the bottom line. I don't need to be trading this right now. We need to wait. We need to either make a move above the 340s, or we need to make a move below the 250s. Hey, Frank Mortimer, good morning. Equalizer, Young, Ace Undercover, Matthew, Lynn Davenport, good Yogi Bark, good morning. Golfly, what is Rory right now is what? Okay, yeah, I'm really, really happy that I just got out of that trade. Did Rory go in the water? No, he did not. He got lucky. He got lucky. He had a good lie too. All I know is I got my mortgage riding on Scotty. Good luck, sir. Let's do this. All right, market. I mean, right now we're just sitting right here at the VWAP, at the EMA. Got to make a decision here. Which direction are we going to go? I think I agree with you that a safer time to trade is the overnight. Yeah, it is true, Ace Undercover. I did not have a good overnight session, but it was my own fault. It was so stupid. I hate when I do this. And I got a great short entry at the 320s right here. And like basically right here on this move, we had made new lows, pull back, great entry. My stop was above this. I had a great trade, and then I just went and overthought it. I was like, oh, okay, now we're going to bounce. So I'm going to be the hero and catch the bottom. And if I just continue trading my strategy, right here would have been an entry. This would have been an entry. This would have been an entry. Just, there was so much more money to be made in the overnight. It was such a nice, clean move to the downside. And I just, oh, wow, look at us. Wow. Sorry, guys, I missed that move, but we are now above the 340s. I don't know, man. This is I don't know what to do. I feel like you just have to. I mean, I hate to say this, but right now buying the dips is the way. The market is just so bullish. Everything getting bought up. Now we do need to hold above the 340s. We don't hold here, this could easily come back down. But man, this is just crazy. Good morning, Matt. John, I'm getting impatient with myself. 1,000 away from payout, day 15 in the bag. Matt, that's okay. Take slow and steady, man. Slow and steady will win the race. Kind of how I do it with these Apex accounts. We are just the slow and steady route, man. Actually, I need to check. How many days traded do I have on those accounts? Gotta check. Pretty sure I'm at 8 days already, but I need a little bit more profits. Profit. Keegan Bradley. Oh, dear. Okay, we're pulling back here. I am not going to touch this until we get above. Okay, last time I requested a payout, we were at 146 days traded on those accounts. And now we're at 153 days traded. So 153 minus 146. 7 days. So today would be day number 8. Day number 8 today. Yeah, John, that's frustrating, man. I feel your pain. Right now, it's very, 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 very frustrating to be short the market. It seems like everything gets bought up. Oh, Scotty Scheffler with a birdie. Now he's 1 under. Nice. Look at this. It's just going to go straight back up. And I really don't know what to do. My thoughts now, these are key 339s and 271s. What is your goal to pay out in every cycle? Young, I mean, honestly, my goal on these 150K accounts, I'm just going to get those as, trade 8 days, get them across the threshold, withdraw $1,200 per account, and then just, if I do $1,200 per account, basically, if I average $200 per day for 8 days, if I have one losing day, then we are back at it and we can withdraw again on the next. I had actually I had 3 losing days, if I remember right, on those accounts this past 8 days. So I might not get there today, but it's okay. I'm not going to rush it. All right, now Rory and Scheffler are 1 under. See, this is again like it's almost like this market is teasing the shorts. Like right there would have been a short entry again if you were really aggressively looking for shorts, at least for me. And it's just like it's teasing it. And then it traps and just keeps going higher. Very frustrating if you're looking for shorts. Yeah, $200 per day is a huge goal. I mean, I don't feel like I'm trading 2 micros, and on my winning days, I get close to averaging $200 per day. How many minis you use at a time when passing 150Ks? Usually I start with at least 5. 2 micros is 50 points. That's not, yeah, I mean, with the current market conditions, I don't feel like that's that much of an issue. 15. I mean, you can do 15, but that's low. Yours is 7 to 1,000 per account. Yeah, penny trades. It's just different strokes for different folks. Keegan Bradley, 3 under. We have 7 players tied at 3 under. Wow. Scotty Scheffler is 2 under. Oh, yeah, that was an eagle. Oh, wow. Scotty Scheffler eagled, and he is 2 under now. Very nice. All right, see, this is, again, is this just easing the shorts, or is this actually a good short? So tempted to go short here. It's not even funny. All right, I'm gonna do this. I might regret this, but I'm gonna take this short, and then I'm gonna regret it later. Hopefully I don't regret it, but we can get down below this 300 level. Just dump it, market. Dump it. Oh, dump. Let's go. I'll take that. I will take that. No looking back. Stop calling me, you spam callers. Trying to sell me insurance. Now, that was a quick 70 ticks. I think this could go lower, so I'm at this point trading in this range. I'm just not gonna. I'm not holding for big moves. We're just gonna get in and get out. All right, now this is going to be important. If we don't hold the 250s, maybe the shorts have a chance. Hey, let's go, John. Let's go, John. Let's rip this thing lower. Come on, for once. Like, and here's the thing. I'm not even looking for a huge move lower. Like, if you look at the daily chart, like, I'm just looking for a pullback, maybe back down to the 20,800s. Not maybe today, but like, I think we're due for just a nice, healthy pullback. But it just seems like it's not happening. It's just crazy how much once the algos are buying, I guess is what's happening. And that $400, that $500 red day on my funded account or my Tradeify live account really bothers me. Really does bother me right now. Not gonna lie. Yeah, Captain Crunch, it's just scary right now holding shorts too long. Look at this. Look at this. It's just crazy. Technically, if we get back above the 310s, I should actually look at taking a long, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it. Going to wait and see if we don't. We need to get out of this 340 at 250 range here. Brooks Koepka. You hate to see it. He lipped out. He was not happy. All right, Rory, where are you going to hit? Rory 1 under on the 16th with a. Oh, he hooked it left. That's going to miss left into the trees. Oh! Wow, down in, almost went in the water again. Rory does not seem to have as good, like, if his driver doesn't seem to be doing as well. Matthew Fitzpatrick is playing well as well. That, you love to see it. Xander with a good drive. Done. So my PC keeps taking screenshots. Wait, no way, John. That's a problem. Uh-oh. Hey, good morning, Travis. How we doing? Good morning. All right, market. What is it going to be here? Are we really just going to keep going up? It's no way, right? Yeah, Xander has really good. He does really well with his driving. John Rahm with a good shot on that par 3, 13. I think that's the 13th. You know what? That gives me the itch. We might fire up some golf and play Quail Hollow today. Gives me the itch to do that. I can't get any sort of follow through on my trades. Yeah, I agree, RH. Feel like that's why I'm just gonna take my profit. I'm not gonna look for any really huge moves unless, I mean, I do feel like if we get down and test the low of the overnight, if we get below the 200s, maybe then we have some room to run, but right now, I don't know. Right now, this is just seems like it only goes higher. 10 to 20 points profit is all you're getting, and if you're waiting for confirmation, you want. Yeah, I agree, Matty Matt. See, like right now, technically, I should take this long. I really should. Feel like I'm going to regret this, but I'm not going to take it. Oh, wow. Whoa, hang on, boys. Getting volatile. Did Orange Man tweet something? What a putt by whoever that was. I have no idea. Okay, that was a trap for the longs. So that was a trap. I don't know. Maybe we. Yikes, Rory. Rory, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Yikes. You've been shorting all morning? Nice. Okay, this has got potential for the shorts. Got potential here. If we can get down below the 280s. Come on, flush it, market. Come on. Just do it. I see ace under cover. Yeah. Wow. Gotta say, man, this is. Uh-oh. Did Scotty just go in the water? Man, what was. McElroy is in trouble here. And this is wild. He went in the water. No design up. I think he stayed actually out of the water, I think. Oh my words. Golfly just in the water. Oh my, what kind of swing was that? I mean, he literally duck hooked it left. Whoa, did you see that, Clyde? Sander just, I mean, he hooked that thing bad. I don't know, man. I'm starting to think I got to change my bias. We have to just, we've got to accept that the market strength right now is just pretty insane. We got to look for longs as I don't really want to, but this is just crazy. Everything gets bought up. Matt Fitzpatrick. I almost call him Fitzpatrick. Fitzpatrick, I'm sorry. He sneezed? No way he did. Oh, that was brutal, Clyde. That was rough. Yeah, golf guy Mike. Scotty wearing orange today on his anniversary of getting arrested. That's pretty funny. That's pretty good stuff. Wow. I gotta say, I'm really glad that I am not continuing to try to short this because I would be very frustrated. I would be very frustrated right now. Ryan Fox? Oh, that was for par? Wow. What is my thoughts on the MFU payout? MFF payout was awesome. Very fast. I got paid out in 1 minute and 10 seconds. I got no issues with it. We have day 2 locked on the My Fund of Future accounts. I'm looking for $240 days. Once I hit $240, we lock it in and then trade for 5 days and request again. $21,620. Jeez, that's wild. Yep, no problem. Man, I want to short this now. Oh, I want to short this so bad. Somebody stop me. Somebody stop me. Whose shot is this? Okay, Rory. This is Rory's 4th shot. He's in the rough, got to go over the sand, but he's got plenty of green to work with. He should be able to get this close. Maybe get away with a bogey. Best case scenario, he gets away with a bogey. That's a good shot. He's got to look at bogey, save. Yeah, this is just, man. I got to sit on my hands today, folks. If I trade my bias today, I'm going to get in trouble. Which trade copy do I use? I use the Replicanto one, Vincent Nella. Oh, wait. Scotty Scheffler and Schauffele. I see what they're saying. Did Scheffler go in the water as well? So they're saying the ball hooked like that because of mud on the ball. Really? That's interesting. I did not see if did Scotty's ball end up in the water? Come on, Xander, just hit the ball. Good grief. Guy's taking 20 practice swings. Hit the ball. If I play with someone that takes 20 practice swings, we got problems. Oh, it's gone. Oof, that's going to be a rough one. Look at that run out. I don't see why you do a flop shot. I almost would run it up. I don't know. Okay, so Scheffler also went in the water. Wow. He's going to flop as well? Oh, that's bad. Yeah, that's just... I mean, they're going to get... Wow. Wow. That's just bad. It skipped off the green into the water. It's just too choppy for me. Yeah, Matthew, not a bad idea. But man, Rory, Scheffler, and Schauffele are just falling apart. Yikes. Phil Mickelson. He is 3 over. Phil Mickelson, he cracks me up. I want to see, when is Jordan Spieth going to tee off? Let me look here. So Justin Thomas is going at 114. Jordan Spieth, 125 tee time. Okay, thank you, Cly. Yeah, that's going to be... I really, dude, I would be so happy if Jordan Spieth somehow wins this. Oh, that would make my day or my year. Maybe not quite, but I would be so happy. I want Jordan Spieth to win so bad. But my expectations are pretty low. My expectations for him are pretty low. But you never know. All right, market. Okay, are you going to do something or not? It's a good day to be watching golf and not this price action. I wish I could show you guys the golf, but I can't. All right, Schauffele for bogey. He's at 39 feet out, putting for bogey. That's not great. That's not where you want to be. Oh, he left it 10 feet short. Yikes. We might be looking at double. We might be looking at triple bogey. Jeez. Schauffele's going to have work to do to save double bogey. Yeah, all those practice swings really helped him. Like, just hit the ball, man. Like, what are you... Got to take 20 practice swings? Come on. I want to check the weather. Hang on. Oh, this looks like some beautiful weather today, guys. If this price action keeps up, I don't know, man. We might be out of here. And Rory missed his putt. Ouch. Double bogey for Rory. Yikes. That is rough. Now you have Scotty trying to save double bogey. He's got a 10-footer probably. Oh, that's unfortunate. Nice, Captain Crunch. Can we get down below that 280? Can we do it? Okay, nice putt. Scotty Scheffler saves double bogey. Scotty back to even par. Man, that's a that's gonna leave a mark. Hey, this is to save bogey for Schauffele? What? What was I missing? I thought this was to save. Yeah, okay, they changed it. It's to save double bogey. What I thought. You got to make this. Ooh, he made it. That is crazy. You got Rory, Scheffler, and Schauffele, and all three of them made double bogey on that hole. That's crazy. Hey, here we go. We are at this 280 again. Can it hold, or are we going to rip through this now? Looks like we might. This might be going, boys. I kind of wish I would have held. All right, this could have been a short, but also, I mean, I'm fine not trading this middle. We are totally fine with that. Right now, we got to wait till we get down below the 250s. Let's wait on it, and then if the 250s don't hold, then we wait for a pullback and we enter on a short. That's the plan. Okay, here we go. Down below the 280s. You're playing the range. If you're playing the range, this is where you would be buying, I assume. Yeah, Scotty Scheffler's shot was really, really unlucky. Like, it hit right off the slope of the green, and it just ricocheted into the water. Schauffele's was just a bad shot. But yeah, Schauffele thought the mud on the ball is what did that. I don't know, man. I don't know. It seemed like he was coping. All right, market. See, can we keep going lower or not? Or is this just going to be another bounce? I have to say this volatility seems to be relatively low today. Oh wow, John Rahm is 2 under. John Rahm 2 under, nice. Do I have a new do you have a new channel? Freelance trader? No, I've had this channel for probably over 2 years. Hang on, I do need to take this phone call. It's my dentist. Yes. Yes, hello, it's Lester. Yes. Yes. I'm actually doing great. I don't have any pain whatsoever. It feels absolutely wonderful. So, yeah, it feels great. Yes, I believe June, yes, 25th. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. You too. Bye. Oh, hello, this is Nutty. I should have said that. Oh, I forgot I wasn't muted. Oh well. Um, there is a what, Molans? Please, there is a new Nutty Bar channel. What are you talking about? What do you mean? What do you mean there's a new Nutty Bar channel? Oh, for overnight trades? No, I don't. No. Nope. There's no new channel. All right, market. Brooks Koepka with a bad, but are we really just gonna seesaw back and forth here? Man. Last couple days, the market opening has just not been that great. What is the best copy trading platform? I mean, I prefer Replicanto, but yeah, I don't know. That seems to be Wow, there's a lot of people at 3 under. Yeah, it could be Reezy. It could be. I mean, right now, and I guess the trade here is to trade the range, I guess. I'm honestly considering another short here if we I guess I shouldn't. I said I don't want to trade in the middle of this range, so I probably need to stay out of it. Getting bored. I don't know, man. There's just nothing to do here. Hey, at least we can watch golf. At least we can watch golf. Do I use Replicanto with Ninja Trader? Yes. Yes, Vincent Nella, that is correct. Yeah, Matthew Qualls. It seems like price action just keeps getting worse. Thanks for the perspective on gold. Oh, yes, 800 cover. First time we didn't get back over the 9. Interesting. We're testing the 21 right now. Let's see if we get it. Kind of curious what happens here at the 303s. If we are going to reject off of that 300 level. I don't know. I might take a short there, actually. Very tempting. All right, here we are testing the 300s. Once again, trading the range here seems to be the play. Sander Shoffley. You should have taken 25 practice strokes. Then you might be fine. You'll get it next time. This just John. Hey, Tilly the Don VWAP short. It is tempting. It is tempting. If I get a good setup here, it's going to be hard not to take a short right here. Oh. Scotty Scheffler with a long putt. That looks good. Good putt. Man, do I want to take this? All right, I'm going to size down. I'm just going to do a miniature size here. Miniature size. Miniature size Stop loss is going to be like right here. Oof. McElroy tapping it in with the wedge. What are we playing on a Saturday on a weekend? Nice. Where am I watching the tournament? On ESPN. ESPN Plus, I believe. All right, we got to dump here, market. Got to go. Got to dump it. Dump it now. Yeah, we might have messed around here and found out. Come on, we need to dump right here. Dump it. Can't do it. Feel like this is gonna go. This is gonna rip now. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped here. Wow, this is gonna keep grinding higher. Sam Burns. Man, this price action is brutal. And we're stopped. Damn, design knob. Perhaps you might fancy a DCA. Oh, don't be a douchebag, market. Don't do it. Are you serious? Are we kidding ourselves right now? How did I even get filled? What kind of bull crap is this? Look at that. That's garbage. I call BS. No shot. No shot. No shot that's real. Stupid market. Gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Like, that's just not, that's not real. Look at this. You piece of. I mean, that's about as terrible and there's no way. There's no shot. No shot this is real. I almost clicked the wrong thing. Size on, size off, position sizing. Jeez. Oh, okay. Now market wants to rip. We jump in here. Ball by Shoffley. Wow. Oh. Yeah, Sarah, tell me what is going on. What is going on? Please, someone tell me. It's dirty. That's what's going on. Just downright dirty. Oh, that Brooks Koepka just had a slice that oh my word. He literally hit a slice and just immediately reached for another ball. That was bad. Oh man, that looked terrible. I mean, he sliced that puppy 40, 50 yards. Oh man, you hate to see it. This is maddening. This is maddening to trade this, and I don't know why I'm still here. Let me check the weather once more. Oh, it looks so beautiful outside. Beautiful day outside here in Ohio. Starting to really get an itch. It's called a golf itch. How much do I risk on a trade? I try to risk around $200 per trade. Now I will fluctuate that, but yeah, usually around 200 a trade is what I look for. Yeah, I just don't even know why I don't even know. I have no words. Do I recommend 4th straight day of solid rain. They make an ointment for the golf itch. Oh, Francis. Oh man, this is do I need to I'm not taking this long. Just it ain't happening. I already know what the plan is. The plan is to get me to go long and then it's going to actually dump. Wants to trigger me. Look at this crazy, yucky, terrible, absolutely disgusting, choppy price action. Hey, UK futures trader, how we doing? Good morning, good afternoon, I guess. That reminds me of an old joke we talked about when I play. You ever notice how quick your buddies are to tell you your drive went in the woods when you just watched it? Yeah, that's so frustrating. Like, yeah, it's left. I'm like, yeah, I got eyes. I can see. They're waiting till you enter a trade. Yeah, I know it's Trading Star. I know what they're doing. I'm up to their tricks. I am not trading this. I'm definitely not going long. All right, market. What is it gonna be? Nice shot by Rory. There's a guy on X who never longs call or put options on Thursday because of this very reason. I see. Yeah, I guess that I wouldn't be shocked. That sounds about right. Ah, John, please, please no, John. If this is how the summer trading will go, oh, we are in for a very we're in for a rough one, man. Yeah, we're just going higher. Matt Fitzpatrick back to 3 under. Wow. Luke Donald now and Ryan Fox leading at 4 under. Impressive. Impressive indeed. Ooh. Sell in May and walk away. If we chop and have these big range days, I highly suggest learning market profile. I mean, just trade the range here, honestly, would have made millions. All right, let's see if we can get above the 340s. Hey, take care, Vincentella. Thanks for tuning in. We're getting really close to shutting it down based on how this market is moving. If I keep trading this, we're going to have issues. See if we break out here. Oh, if I was a wild man, I'd go short up here, but I'm not. I'm not that man. The only chart that works today is the 1 minute, gets you in quick. Yeah, I guess, probably. It's just bad. Oh, really, Willie C? Okay, good. And we're trying to get above the 340s. It's trying. I don't know. Feel like this is gonna break out. And there it goes. 348. Testing the 350s. There she goes. There she goes. New highs. Why not? Yes, that is correct, Willie C. That is correct on the 50K. I wish they would make that so you actually that it rejects orders when you try to do that. All right, above the 355s, now at the 360s. He's going higher, folks. Now we do have some resistance here at the 370s. 370s, so let's see if we get through those. Ah. Man, I just don't know. All right, Scheffler even par through 9. Could be worse. Wow, there we go at the 370s. And all of a sudden, this thing's just ripping higher. Just ripping higher, man. Wow. Uh, we're gonna have to take some longs here. We're just gonna have to do it. One of those, we just gotta close our eyes, hit the buy button, and just look away. And I might. All right, I'm gonna scale in again like I did yesterday. If this is just gonna keep ripping straight up, then we're gonna be in. I'll add my other. I'll add if we get back to the 340s. Might just rip now. I don't know. It's fine if it does. If 350 holds, my next target is 430. That is crazy, but I mean, it's not that crazy. If we get up through the 370s, I mean, the 400s are going to be the next target. And then the 420s is where I would have my target. But wow, Steven Yeager is 4 under. That Steven Yeager has been actually very impressive this year. He's been in the top 10 a lot. Now we're just stuck here at the 360s. Oh man, this market. Time time to break out the DD oil and lay in the sun. Dude, so the DD trial is going right now. That should be interesting. Can I explain the consistency rule on Tradeify? Just have to be 20% of your total profits. Your biggest day can't be more than 20% in a single day than your overall profit. But that's on straight to funded. On the other accounts, it's 35% consistency. Yeah, John, it's crazy. Whoa, there she goes. There she goes. Wow. All right, we're just going to stay in, man. We're just going to hold. If this thing just wants to keep going, then fine. Go for it. All right. I mean, I'm looking for the 400s at least. Don Rahm is playing really well. Keegan Bradley now. Interesting. Yeah, market, just keep going higher. It's fine. I'm not upset. You think NQ tests the 420s? Yeah, I kind of agree. I think we're looking at the 400s, then the 420s. What happens after that, who knows? But I might take this off around the 390s, but for now, we're going to hold. If we get a nice pullback, we might actually add to it on the pullback. Hey, Kiss Me I Cook. Good morning. Good to see you. You shorted at the 390s? Oh, I like shorts at the 390s. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of where I was thinking about taking this off if we get it up to the 390s. And it's just so insane how this market, the last week and a half, it's just been buy the dips, man, buy the dips. All right, here we go. 380s, 380s, trying to get through that 380 now. There she goes, 382s. 385s. All right, I'm going to get out here at the 390s. Guess if it keeps going, I don't even know, but I don't know what to do here. It's crazy. How am I cross trading to micros, Sacred? So Sacred Affordable Indicators has a chart trader. See right here, it says micro. If I click on it, it switches to minis. This is what I trade. Whatever is showing here is what I'm trading. It's done through the chart trader. So you basically do mini, micro, and if it's showing micro, even though it's on an NQ chart, I'm actually trading the micros. A little bit confusing, but but yeah, that's how it works. All right, I hope we get a pullback here. If we get a pullback here, I will jump in again and look for that 410, 420 area. But we might just keep going. There it goes. Wow. Wow. There it goes. This is insane. 398s, 399s, pushing the 400s now. I just don't know, man. All right. And we get a pullback. Did we make it to the... Yes, we... The highs of this candle is 21 400s and a quarter. So we just made it to the 400s. If I'm still using Replicanto, yeah, I am. I am UK Futures Trader. There's the 21 400s. I mean, it looks so easy and it looks so simple in hindsight, but man, just again, we just held this 250, 260 area held. We never tested them. And taking along right here, it would have paid. Would have gotten paid. Just seems like, I don't know why. Obviously, I don't. This feels like we're due for a pullback, but we obviously are not. Market go up. Hey, Rob Moores, how's it going? Apex request is under review. If that is bad, no, that's not bad. Big Tick Energy, just be patient. Wait for a yeah. They usually takes 1 to 2 days, maybe. Wink, wink. Usually. Hang on, guys. I got to go check on Cody. I just hear him. Hang on. Wow. There she went. We hit the 420s. Now getting a pullback. All right, we might. I'm going to add again here just on one contract. And if we get a deeper pullback, then it's okay. Don't mind the deeper pullback here. Hey, Amakre, good to see you. Raj, good morning. Captain, let's see. We get a pullback back into the 360s. I'm fine with that. I'll add another one right here. Somewhere in here. Hey, let's just go back up and retest that 420. All right. I mean, if it just wants to keep going, I'm fine. Just keep going. Ah, John LaRue. Welcome to Hangout. All right, go ahead, market. Just keep going higher. I don't care. I really don't. I really do not care. I'll take my profit at 420. Actually, 415s would probably be smarter. This is just wild. What is the pre-market? Oh, this was the pre-market high. I see. Now, I'd rather not this go back down to my entry, though. This is not because if we fail to make new highs here, I definitely don't want to get filled. Why did I just get? Hang on. Luke Donald is currently co-leader. That's crazy. All right, this is. Ah, come on, market. Don't be a dude. Really don't want to be in this trade if we don't hold this. What do I want to do here? Feel like I'm gonna put a stop right there. A little frustrating. Hope we can get a move here. Let's rip it higher. I'm gonna now, I will re-enter. I will re-enter here. That was a frustrating trade. Just don't like how we didn't, I don't like how we failed to make new highs here. I just don't like that. I don't like the time of day we're in, and I don't like how we failed to make new highs. And I'm just gonna get out. I might be wrong. Might rip higher now, and I might regret it, but that's what I'm sticking with. I think I would do better if I stopped listening to myself and start listening to my cat. If the cat, have a button for the cat. 2 buttons, sell, buy, whichever one it pushes. That's the one you use. We're also failing to make new lows. Yeah, I understand. It's not like this is a bearish, but it's just a little concerning for the longs. That's all. At least for me. We still can get higher. I mean, for sure. We can definitely still go higher. And if we pull back to the EMA here and we get a good entry long, I'll take it. But all I'm saying is it's just a little concerning that we didn't make new highs right there. And there's a higher chance that we start to roll over now. That's, don't want to get trapped. Yeah, good idea, Tilly Don. I'm trading micros. Yes, I am trading micros. Nicely done, Equalizer. What are your thoughts on Tori posting updated videos on her trade, but with a 5-6 day lag time? Yeah, I know, it's kind of weird. Something tells me she knows the end results, but she's trying to drag out the drama as long as she can. It's like, whatever, man. She's good at social media. I will give her that. It's funny, though. Buy and sell buttons for the cat is a good idea. Hey, let me know how it goes. Man, could almost re-enter here, but I'm gonna wait. Gonna be a little bit sad if this just rips higher now, but it is what it is. is what it is. Nice shots by Scotty off out of the first cut. Maybe Scotty can get something going here. Shane Lowry for birdie. Ooh, he missed it. Yeah, this might have been one of those where I got out too early. What is the indicator that connects your entries and exit markers? Zika, it's the chart trader from Affordable Indicators is where it's from. Oh, McElroy, yikes. I guess that'll work. Oh, this price action is... Ooh, yikes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, now if we get... See, now this could be the second time we fail to make new highs. Or this is going to trap the shorts, and now we actually rip. Let's see. Now this might be... Yeah, this looks bullish. Like we're going to go... Hmm. Ah, this looks like it's going to rip again. I got a good feeling we test 420 again. I really... Yeah, I think you're right. I think you're right. I was hoping we'd see a little bigger pullback, but not going to happen the way it looks. I'm having serious thoughts about walking away for the day. Think we're going ahead to 500 wood chip? You think we get there today? We might. We actually might. We could easily get to 500 today. It is looking very bullish. I probably should have jumped in there, but oh well. Unfortunate. 415s, we're about to retest the 420s. And there she goes. 420s. 425s. New highs made. Should have held, man. I should have held. Oh, well. We'll get another opportunity. I got scared. I got scared, man. Scotty with a birdie. Scotty Scheffler now 1 under. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. He's playing better than Rory right now. Yeah, the 15-minute chart, I was looking at that too. 15-minute chart, there's just nothing to think. It was the same thing as yesterday. Very similar chart to yesterday, the 15-minute. Look at this. Why? Sure, why this keeps messing up here. But this is the 15-minute chart. Look at these wicks from yesterday. We had these wicks from yesterday very similar to the wicks that we had today. The signs were there. All right, above the 420s. Ooh, Scotty. I think that'll work. Hey, let's go, Zika. Nicely done. SkyMac, I think from 1050 to 1053, the buy algo shook everyone out before this move. Yeah, we definitely had quite a bit of, like, it seems like the morning session, it's very choppy. Then we make the move. And just, I don't know, you just got to buy the dips right now. Got to buy the dips. There she goes, 430s. We just continue higher. Now we have reached the highs of yesterday. I just not chasing this. I am sad that I took profit there. That's unfortunate. And there we go, 440s. Ease. 445s. Oh man, I don't know. This is so rough to trade. What Tradeify means with no payout windows, there's 10 trading days. So Jose, it used to be that Tradeify, you could only request a payout from the 1st through the 5th and the 15th through the 20th, I believe, or 11th through the 15th. So they had only those windows you could request a payout. They removed that. So basically, as soon as you have 10 trading days and your profit, then you can request. You don't have to wait for a specific window. No problem, Jose. NQ has bull engulfed yesterday's candle. I know. Exactly, Captain Crunch. There is zero reason to not be bullish. Like right now, everything we see, I mean, just looks so bullish right now. Kind of disappointed that I'm not actually taking advantage of this. I'm kind of disappointed. I really should not have gotten out here. Really should not have. But here we are. It is what it is. All right, can we get a pullback? We will be aggressive. Gonna use our same approach here. Micro pullbacks. We're gonna enter the first micro on a micro pullback, and then we're gonna wait. If we get a bigger pullback, we'll add our final micro on it. But come on, come on. All right, now we wait for a bigger pullback. Like to see a pullback back to the 408s, that area. If we get it to that area, 400s, then we will add. If we just rip higher, then I guess we probably take profit at the 480s. I don't know. We'll just let it keep going. Maybe I'll just stop streaming and I'll come and check again at 4 o'clock. We'll just check at 4 o'clock, see where it went. Oh, I didn't see Francis. I need to use the restroom. Give me 1 minute. All right, I'm back. That took longer than expected. Cody needed me. All right, we have possibly wait till we touch the EMA here if we add another one. Mad Mad Cow is in the house. Wait, Trump is speaking? What is the code for MFF? French futures trader, I currently don't have one. I am trying to get one. But you can use I mean Alpine or TWT is trading with Travis or Alpine's code. I believe that works. You thought I fell asleep? If he is speaking, then maybe adding to this isn't too smart. For now, I'm not going to add to it. I'm just going to hold it. Ryan Fox, 5 under. And I should add one here almost. Why am I down 44 ticks? Because it's 1 micro. Christian Sabrino. So I'm trading micros even though I'm on the NQ chart. My chart trader has the ability to switch between micro. Now I would be trading minis, but now this is actually right here is what shows what I'm actually trading. All right, we do need to make new highs, in my opinion. It would be nice to make new highs on this push. It would be nice, much appreciated, if we make... Might actually take... Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm on. All right, market, you're trying to annoy me. If you're trying to annoy me, you're doing a good job. Yeah, I'm getting annoyed. Super annoyed. Man, that is super annoying. I do not like that. I don't like that one bit. Gonna get out. I don't like that one bit. I don't know how it didn't feel me there. I need to go to I made some food for Cody. I need to go give it to him. I will be right back. Oh, I'm back. You kidding me? Now I'm really frustrated. I probably hold that trade if I don't have to go. Man, now I'm frustrated. Hang on. Shoot, hang on. Sorry, guys. I gotta go again. I actually might end it here. I might end stream here. I don't know that I'm not trading well. My conviction on these trades are really, really low, and it's showing. Like I'm looking for an excuse to get out of my trades, and that's just not good. But I have to go again. I'm Mr. Mom today, if you're not aware. I'm taking care of the kids, and I need to go again. I think I'm going to end stream, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we can stream a little bit longer, but I use Ninja Trader Steve. So I think I'm gonna run. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you guys all have a great day. Hope you guys have a green day, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody, and God bless.